Alright, everyone. We have a special unboxing today. I just got home a little bit ago. It is indeed past 9 o'clock, and the roommate just went to bed. But, I was on eBay last week, and, go ahead and lock that. I decided to fool around and, get a little package here. This is a kind of a risky situation, but what I decided to go for is 4 iPods, and they're from Goodwill, completely untested, but I'm hoping that they're gonna work, $35. And potentially probably about $100 to $150 worth of items in here if they're all working. So we'll go ahead and get the SOG Mini flashback here. I've got a charger waiting off camera to test them with. We'll go ahead and show you exactly what iPods we have. Put some extra tape on this. This is from Goodwill, by the way. I don't remember if I said that, but I had a couple iPods up there. We'll go ahead and see. There's the interior packaging. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're empty on that. So let's see what's first. One of the the iPod Classic 4th generation. It's got some crap on it. 30 gig. It's kind of dirty, but otherwise in pretty good shape. And these were sitting in my mailbox all day. We've got a second iPod 4th generation, 30 gigabyte. iPod Mini. This is the 2nd gen because it has the capacity written. And the best for last. Wow, iPod Video. Don't know if it's the 5.5, but I'm hoping it is. If not, it's no big deal. That center button is seized, so that's going to be nice to work with. It's very gross. I don't know what that is, but it's gross. We're going to have to do something about that. Cleaned up pretty good. Anyway, let's go ahead and begin our testing. So off camera, I've got my charger right here. This is all the way out, so we might have to deal with some issues there. But let's go ahead and see what we're dealing with. Okay, this appears to be booting up. It's got a dim screen, but it is booting up. Please wait. Very low battery.
5 minutes later.
Go ahead and put that in the dock. I know the minis fire up pretty quick, so... Oh, yeah, you saw that Apple logo. So this should fire up pretty quick. Let's see. Yep, fully functioning. See if there's music. Yep. Lots of music on there. Almost as much as my iPod mini had. It's off camera over here. It's not assembled either, but there's the casing for it. That's a first generation. Doesn't have the capacity on the back. I'm actually about to install its new cable. It's in this package because it ripped a cable. But anyway, yeah, fully functioning on the iPod mini. Several songs. Let's go to about... Yeah, they got this thing almost full to the brim. They've got 429 songs, so that's a little over half full. But yeah, I don't know what the battery is on this, but iPod mini, fully functioning. Natalie's iPod. Sorry, Natalie. All right. First classic. Got an Apple logo. Second classic. Oh wow, that one's a color. It's a color, and it's fully operational, it looks like. No songs, so it's been wiped clean. No photos. Settings, about 30 gig iPod, fully functioning. It is a photo model. That's awesome. Go ahead and power that one down. So I guess this should be a photo model too. It's completely dead. It's booting up. I think this is a photo model as well. Yep, it's we've got the sad face on there, so this one might need a hard drive replacement. It's very dim, but there is the sad face on that one. But yeah, this one might just need a new hard drive. What do you know, guys? Sitting here cleaning these iPods up, and I looked over and this thing lit up. Hopefully y'all can see that. The middle button is not clicking, but it seems to work. Music. What do you know, guys? There's a search button. This is an iPod Classic 5.5, slightly better than my first gen iPod Touch here. Slightly better DAC, awesome device, and it's got a search on it. we do have a line on the screen, and we do have a non-working or non-clicking center button. But guys, $35 for this. This is the working, no, this is the non-working one. A mini, working, and a working color classic. Guys, that's an awesome deal. I'm so happy with this purchase. We'll try and get this one working. It did light up. I think it has a bad hard drive on it, but we'll find out. But that's crazy. All 4 of those, not my touch. My touch was 20 bucks. All 4 of those for $35. This alone is about 50. So anyway, guys, that's it. I'm not gonna wait until this one wants to work. I don't think we're gonna get this one working right now. That's it for the video, and thank you all for watching.
When I was to wonder, both have to wonder.